Babe. Oh boy, let me stop the bleeding. Oh, I gotta stop the bleeding. Hey everyone, join me in this video to see if this 10,000 peso dog stroller is worth it. Good morning, this is Gilsar Vergara back again with another video. Today's going to be a review because I have some things that came in. I have a thing that came in for Aries and Zeus so I can not carry them all the time when they're starting to get heavy. You know, 10 pounds is 10 pounds, but 10 pounds after like 2 hours is freaking heavy. If you're into lifestyle podcasts and reviews, this might be the channel for you. Give it a like. Really appreciate it. So today we're going to discover what's in that box. Hey guys, so here's the box right here. We're going to slice it open. I know what it is. This is a carriage for the dogs. Ow! Babe? 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 You're in the bathroom? Forget it. I cut myself really bad. Can you get a tissue or something here? A lot of blood. Oh boy, let me stop the bleeding. Oh, I gotta stop the bleeding. Hey everyone, so I am back. And I'm back. My wife helped me take care of this. But clumsy. Let's open it up. Let's continue. So this is a dual carriage, like for the dogs. And I'll put the links down below for those of you who are interested. I'm just going to give you a quick review on this for those of you who are dog lovers here, pet owners, as well as cats. A quick review on like the quality of it, the cost of it. This cost 8,400 pesos with shipping. It went up to like almost 9,000, but it's one of the allegedly the higher ones, better ones, so we'll see that. And who's this for? Pretty much cat, dogs. I don't know if you can put a lizard in here, something, ferrets. You can put something. You can put your pets in here, but not your kids. Okay, so let's open it up. Let me see how much assembly there is, and I'll grade it from like 1 to 5 when it comes to like assembly, and then quality 1 to 5. So whoever I forgot who the shipper was, but they did do a great job packing it. Although there are some open spots right here. I don't know if you can see that. It's just poked through. But let me try to see without ruining this thing. Let's just pop it open. I think. Oh, I can pop it through here because my wife actually found my box cutter. I got I believe the green one or the black one. What did I get? Blue, because my boys are boys. So let's pull this out. It might not even have any assembly, but we'll see. It's not light, I can tell right now. So those of you, it's definitely not light. Oh, shit. They packed the corners and everything. Things that can easily probably break, bend. I do like that. Thank you, whoever the manufacturer was. It does come with the wheels here. The wheels are not attached, but let's not get that dirty before my wife kills me. So the wheels are right here. That you have to attach these, but I do have to say that the wheels feel sturdy. They have good rubber on there, thick rubber, honestly. So don't if you do get this, there's 2 sets, 2 types. Well, there's grease in there. There's 2 types. These right here, which I will probably think is in the front, and the rear ones right here. They have the stoppers. Okay, let's try to coordinate on this. And this is like assembly wise, this is like a 1, dude. Like you gotta be really, I don't know, man. I don't know. And there you go. There it is. This is from Fur Pick Choice. So what do we have here? The dog can breathe here. Your animal, your pet can breathe here, not your kids. And then the great thing about this is you can cover them up this way, and then you can zip them up here. I would walk around with the dogs. There's some locks here. I mean, like little things are for the collar to lock them in so they won't jump out. And there we go. So you have some type of storage space down here. You have two storage spaces for food or anything like that, treats, diapers, wipes, pretty much like a baby, right? In order to, oh, this is the lock right here to lock it in so it won't fold. If you wanted to close it up, it's literally just pushing this up and pushing that back, and then it folds. Folds. Good. And it folds right there. And it locks in. I lock that. We should be good to go. And yeah, we are good to go. This is one thing though, I don't know why it's on a wallet. It's actually made for 4 dogs. There's 4 holders in there. Quality wise, I would have to say a 9, honestly. I can't really give it a 10 because something's gonna give, but it's either gonna be the wheels or plastic on the wheels. I'll check around. I mean, I'll give it some time, but 8 and 9 is for me. I mean, I'm sorry, 1 to 5. I'd have to give it a 4. Can't give it a 5 because of gotta see how the things last. Although it does feel sturdy, quality's good. The canvas feels good. It's easy to assemble or disassemble, and when I have to clean it, I think it'll be a lot faster. So let's put the dogs in here and walk around with them and see how they feel. And then one thing I do have to add is that they really took time to wrap up these sensitive areas that could be scratched. I do appreciate that from the perfect choice, but everything else is actually really good. Good. So I just discovered, I think these are to secure them onto the bar down here, which is pretty cool. I'll do that now, but you can't really see it, but underneath here there's another bar down there that you can hook onto. So if your dogs or your animals are jumpy, you can kind of strap them in a bit better. You can have this bits more secure. Hey boys. Hi boys. Relax. You can't go out. It's very dangerous for you. Hi boys. Hi dude.
Oh my goodness. Warna sejat. How it's, I mean,
Is it worth 10,000? Yes. For my back, 1,000%. I want to list some cons right now that I've found. It's the width of it. Some of it might not fit in most doors. Some doors might be an issue for some of you. The foam here will eventually give way, but that's nothing. But outside of that, it has pretty much held. Wheels feel good. So if you're looking for a little bit more on the higher end of the dog carrier situation here, as you can see, these side by side, it is pretty durable. You have access points here. You have stowaways here, which is pretty good. Your dogs are good right here. He's crying right now. But then other than that, they're pretty good. As you can see, they're out right now, so you can secure them by their little hooks here. However, if your dog is a jumper, he's gonna jump. It's gonna pop out, like both of them did already. But there's definitely a lot of airway that passes through in the back, in the top there, as well as here. So I would say 10,000 is a good buy for me because it saves my back as well as keeps him contained. So hopefully you like that video and give it a thumbs up if you like it, and take care.